Hello everyone, this is automatic Hotmail group carton box case sewing machine. Let me introduce shortly. So first of all, we can see the former part of the machine is the carton box case fitting conveyor. So you can put the box here manually, each one by one on a conveyor. So this is the conveyor, you can see. We can stand 1, 2, 3, 4 persons near the machine, beside the machine. So you can, when you pack the product into the box and then put the box here, 1, 2, 3, then the conveyor will drive to the next station. So the last part is I'm going to introduce is very important because it's the glue dispensing nose from here. You can see the orange color part. You can see it over there. This one is the nose. So when the box continue move forward, when the sensor detect detect the box in position, then the glue dispenser nose will start to run and dispense the glue both sides. Both sides will have glue on it, and then move forward. And this part is folding part here. Folding part. When the glue finish the gluing, this part will folding and sealing, and this is the main part of the machine. So glue dispensing, folding, sealing, then come here. You can see there's so many rollers on both sides. This is for pressing the carton after glue was dispensed. Then the roller will run and press and seal, let the glue dry quickly. So when after that, it will go to the last part and product discharge here. From here, you can see the whole machine is like this. Former part is manual fitting box, and then go to the middle part of the machine is the Hotmail glue dispensing and sealing. Then after the glue part, then move forward to the folding, and then the ruler will press and sealing, let the glue seal more, and the flates folding and sealing, and then the last part is product discharge. You can see the whole machine. And here, behind the machine, there's 2 doors. It's the electronic box, and we have the touch screen operation system, and we have the glue tank. And from here, you can see the heating tank perimeter is 165 centigrade. So you can load actually 10 liters of the glue inside the tank. The specs about 30 to 75. You can see the whole machine here. So very simple, huh? Carton fitting, sealing, product discharge. Very easy. Touchscreen operation system. And this from here, the glue melting, the glue is solid. So after the heating will be melt after melting, it will become liquid, and then will go through this hose and to this part to control the nose when should be dispensed the glue. Very easy part. See, rollers, chain, and we have protected door from of both sides, so no one can get hurt. You can see handles here. Open it, close it. Very safe, for safe precaution. So we can from the different angle here, front side and back side. So you can see back side also have two doors. From the machine you can see the whole part. So let me check the electronic box. The main motor here, chain. I'm going to show you some samples of the seating. So this is the sample. You can see the result here. So tear notch part here, very beautiful. Two sides, left and right sides, so it's just like come out like this. So the grooves is here, inside the grooves, and also the right side, left sides, both sides. I'm going to show you the inside. You can see the detail, you can see the RAM. The machine is running very stable and fast. Please let me know if you have any inquiries and questions I would like to answer. Thank you very much.